What if I told you one AI tool could help you generate Instagram Reels that hit 17 million views, even if you've never edited a video before? And no, this isn't some clickbait fluff. This is the actual process I used to grow a Faceless brand to over 28 million impressions in 30 days, all using AI. Today, I'm showing you step-by-step how to do the same. We all know short-form content is king right now, but what no one tells you is most Reels fail in the first 3 seconds. Why? Because they're boring, they're quiet, and they don't keep attention. If your video is 10 seconds long and even 1 second is dead space, you've already lost 10% of your viewers' attention. That's enough to flatline your viral potential. Step 1. Generate a video using AI with Zebracat AI. So what's the fix? Let's solve the first problem. Creating a high-quality, attention-grabbing video without spending hours scripting or editing. The easiest way to do that? I use Zebracat AI. This tool uses AI to generate viral-ready short-form videos for Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok in minutes. Just plug in your niche, choose your content angle, like marketing, health, productivity, or personal finance, and Zebracat gives you a full video script matching stock footage, captions, built-in voiceover, and background music. And yes, it even formats it for Reels dimensions. Step 2. Crop the video plus add custom captions. Once you've generated the video with Zebracat, you'll want to trim out any fluff. Remember, even a single second of silence can kill your momentum. Then, head over to the captions panel and make sure they're placed inside the safe zones of the digital frame. Use bright, bold colors that match your brand tone, and never let a sentence hang on screen too long. Step 3. Add viral audio, smart audio mixing. Here's a game changer most people overlook. Instagram doesn't just push your video, it also pushes your audio. So when you upload your video to Instagram, pick a viral trending audio, something like Cornfield Chase by Hans Zimmer. Set your video audio to 100% and the background music to around 17%. This keeps your voice clear while letting you tap into the audio trend. That tiny adjustment alone could be the reason your next video hits 10K or 10 mem views. Step 4. Algorithm-optimized captions. Now let's hack the algorithm with your post caption. Most people treat it like an afterthought. Huge mistake. Instead, sneak in relevant keywords based on your niche. For example, Messi is better than Ronaldo. Plus, Sternrich football shows your video to sports fans. This is the smartest marketing trick of 2024. Plus, Sternrich's branding gets shown to entrepreneurs. Your captions should coach Instagram to know who your audience is. Step 5. Trigger engagement with comment automations. Let's talk comments. Ever see posts that say things like, comment recipes for a free meal plan, comment ADS for my full swipe file? That's not random. It's a strategy. It drives engagement and turns comments into leads automatically. The tool I use for this is fully Meta approved and sets up in minutes. But here's the trick. Pick a keyword for people to comment, e.g. popcorn. Set an automated DM reply, add a clickable link, and watch your DMs turn into a funnel. Step 6. Monetize multiple options. Now that you've got viral Reels and leads flowing in, how do you turn views into cash? Here are 3 ways. Brand deals. Companies pay you to shout them out. I've landed $4K for a 30-second video. Services. Offer something, e.g. logos, coaching, editing, and let the Reels funnel people to your site. Sell the page. Yep. Think of your Instagram account like real estate. Grow it, monetize it, sell it. If I could sum this all up, attention is currency. Use tools like Zebracat AI to build fast, test faster, and scale smarter. And if you're serious about building a faceless brand or growing your page in 2024, it's time to stop guessing and start executing. Drop it in the comments if you're going to try this. And if you want my exact caption templates and comment automation script, just comment the word viral and I'll DM it to you.